Crystal's south border was overrun with honeysuckle and winter creeper. The honeysuckle is thick, just above the fence, and the winter creeper is threatening the life of the maple tree. The snake-like trunks of winter creeper are an epidemic in southern Kansas City. The drooping leaves are easy to recognize and stay green for most of the winter, but it's the maze of young vines that multiply and crowd out the tree's own leaves that make it a threat. Cutting the vine's trunk and applying herbicide to the living outside layer will kill it. A year later, the vine's grip has loosened, and Kevin is pulling the vines out of the trees.
He's a bark. He's a bark.
Lyra, you could have died.
Two.
Oh, look at this is winter creeper that was growing up our tree.
Here is the before photo with winter creeper on the left up in the tree and honeysuckle with the lighter green leaves on the right. We've removed them all, and you can finally see the tree and walk around it. This photo gives a better idea of the new fence and border area that Crystal has gained. Thanks for watching.